Let's make this video animation using Canva. First, go to Elements and search for a shape. Choose the rectangle shape and adjust it on the whiteboard very precisely. Then, go to Colors and choose black. Adjust the shape a little bit more, yes, just like that. After that, go to Text and click on Add a heading, then edit it to say Korea. Yes, like that. Next, adjust it a little bit. Then go to Fonts and change the font to Anton. Adjust the text on the shape. Then go to Letter Spacing and add some space. Adjust it perfectly as well. Finally, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG. Delete the previous page. After that, go to Elements and search for Korea in the Elements section. Then, go to the Videos option and choose any video you prefer. This is the video I chose. Now, go to Uploads and upload our previous design. Then click on it. After that, go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. It takes few seconds. Bingo, background remove. After that, adjust the design on the video very precisely. Now, go to Animation and click on Create Your Own Animation. Create your animation, just like that. Bingo! Then, go to Movement Style and choose the Steady option. When you're done, your animation will look like this. Now, I will adjust it a little bit more because I want all the letters in the animation to be visible. Like that. After that, go to Transparency and decrease its transparency, like that. Next, go to Text and click on Add a heading, then write Korea. Go to Colors and choose white color. Then, go to Fonts and choose the font Anton, and increase its size, like that. After that, go to Effects and choose the Lift effect, then increase its intensity. Go to Text Animation and choose the Spread animation, then increase its scale. Bingo! Our work is done completely. Here is our final design. If you like this design, please like my video, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.